Here is something interesting. We have two sets of three-phase coils, UVW, UVW, powered by this variable frequency device, which will give three-phase power to a little magnetic flywheel with four end magnets sticking up. Now when these coils are right on top of one another aligned, and we turn on the three-phase power, say to 5 Hertz, when they're aligned, the flywheel spins weakly, and at 15 Hertz, it does spin. It certainly wobbles around erratically a bit. Now instead of placing these coils right on top of one another, 3 coils there and 3 there, we're going to stagger them. So from above it would look like 6 coils, but actually that set lies in the holes of the others. We still have the same flywheel. We'll turn the power to 5 Hertz. It spins quite nicely. And now when we go to 15 Hertz, it rises and spins and wobbles beautifully, rises like a top. So this staggered arrangement, 2 inverted V shapes, works better than having all the coils directly on top of one another. And you can hear the flywheel hitting the plastic at the top because it's rising like a top. 20 Hertz. And that's how it should work. Here's the staggered set of three-phase coils, UVW, UVW, offset from one another slightly, working on a solid 70 millimeter magnet in the middle. It's 5 Hertz, 10 Hertz, 15 Hertz, 20 Hertz. Rises up like a top. Now here are 2 sets of staggered three-phase coils with an 80 millimeter magnetic flywheel in the center, 5 millimeters thick. We turn the power to about 5 Hertz to get it spinning and wobbling quite nicely. Beautiful, isn't it? As we go up to 10 Hertz, rises like a top. 12 Hertz. 15 Hertz. Let's do that one more time with this 100 millimeter ring magnet and 2 sets of three-phase coils that are staggered. We'll start at a slow 5 Hertz just to get it wobbling. Eight Hertz, 10 Hertz. You see it's lifting up like a top. It's hitting the plastic at the top, which is going to break its spin in a minute. 12 Hertz. 13, 14, and it drops because the plastic breaks its spin. We've lifted up that set of coils relative to that set of coils so the wobbling magnet can lift without hitting the plastic so easily. We start at 5 Hertz, it's wobbling. At 10 Hertz, it's lifting up like a top. 12 Hertz, it falls because it's lifted like a top.